Google's AI Edge Gallery app just crashed into the App Store's top 10, letting users run Gemma 4 AI models fully offline on their iPhones. This open-source app supports text, image, and audio tasks, with privacy-focused processing and agent skills for real-world automation. Google's move signals a major shift. AI is now in your pocket, not the cloud. DeepSeek's new V4 model is about to hit the scene, running on Huawei chips instead of Nvidia. Yeah, that's a big deal. Chinese tech giants like Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance are already stacking up orders, signaling a major shift in the AI hardware game. With 1 trillion parameters and open-source release, this move could seriously disrupt the US chip market and global AI power balance. Microsoft just dropped 3 in-house AI models that outperformed Google and OpenAI in multilingual benchmarks. MAI Transcribe 1, MAI Voice 1, and MAI Image 2 deliver faster, cheaper text, voice, and image generation for enterprise clients. This marks Microsoft's bold move toward AI self-sufficiency and tighter control over data, pricing, and safety. A critical flaw in ChatGPT let hackers steal your sensitive data just by chatting. No sketchy moves needed. Checkpoint found attackers could use DNS channels to bypass protections and exfiltrate info without users noticing. OpenAI patched the bug last month, but users are still urged to stay alert for security risks. Forget endless prompt tuning. AutoAgent just smashed human records by autonomously optimizing AI agents overnight. In only 24 hours, it hit #1 on Spreadsheet Bench and Terminal Bench, letting engineers direct with a single file while the AI does all the heavy lifting. This open-source tool could seriously change how we build and improve autonomous systems, cutting out repetitive work and making agent engineering way more efficient. Gemini Pro just landed, and Google's not playing. Visual AI is about to flip the whole web design game. This upgrade means smarter layouts, faster content, and websites that actually feel personal, all powered by next-level AI. If you're still building sites the old way, you're already behind. Google's TurboQuant algorithm just slashed memory needs for AI models by 6 times and sped up attention computation 8-fold without losing accuracy. This breakthrough triggered a sharp drop in memory chip stocks like Micron as the market scrambles to assess the impact. But with AI infrastructure costs dropping, demand for memory chips could actually surge as more devices and companies jump on the AI bandwagon. Anthropic just dropped a bomb on developers. Using Claude code with third-party tools like OpenClaw now costs way more, with pay-as-you-go fees replacing flat subscriptions. Starting April 4th, users lost bundled access and some face up to 50x higher monthly bills. This move, meant to control infrastructure strain, has sparked backlash from the open-source community and forced devs to rethink their AI toolchains. Nvidia just dropped a tech bomb. Imagine cutting VRAM usage from 6.5 gigabytes to only 970 megabytes, with visuals still looking sharp as hell. Their neural texture compression uses AI to shrink texture data, letting even low-end GPUs handle high-res graphics without breaking a sweat. This could mean smaller game downloads, faster patches, and a whole new era for game graphics optimization. Elon Musk's xAI just dropped Grok, their AI chatbot for everyone to use. No more waiting behind closed doors. Now, users can jump in and test Grok's new features firsthand, making AI-powered conversations more accessible than ever. This move signals a major shift in how the public interacts with advanced AI tech. Imagine if your I never forgot a thing. Claude Code just dropped an update with unlimited memory. This upgrade directly targets and solves Claude's previous memory limitations. While technical details are scarce, the promise is clear. No more memory cap for Claude users. A leap from 136 to 150 IQ on the Mensa Norway test puts OpenAI's GPT 5.4 Pro at the top of the public AI leaderboard. This model now outperforms rivals like Claude, Gemini, and Grok, showing rapid gains in coding, tool use, and professional task handling. For businesses, this signals a new era of AI-driven productivity and workflow transformation.